This is the smartest rotary device that will transform your Tesla driving experience. It allows you to control numerous actions that usually require scrolling through the main screen, and if you haven't seen it in action, let me show you how it works. Tesla is a wonderful car that many people love. However, for those just switching from the legacy brand models to these high-tech beasts, it can be a little bit complicated, especially in the beginning, because you have to go for each step through this big tablet to activate a feature that you want to do. And especially it can be a little weird when you're driving. And there's those people like me who hate doing multi-step actions to activate one simple feature, for example, changing the acceleration mode of this vehicle. That is why we created this cool gadget that's gonna allow you to put all the features you want to use right at your fingertips. This is the S3XY Knob, a rotary dial with 4 buttons for quick actions on the side that are fully customizable. You can change their actions, you can change their position, or you can even delete them if you don't want to use them. The options are endless, and you can do all of that through our intuitive app. There are so many cool features to choose from. For instance, you can control your climate, you can control your speed during autopilot, and also you can even open your Glovebox. With this current update, you can control up to 16 different actions that are fully customizable, but with the future over-the-air update, you're going to be able to get all the amazing shortcuts that the S3XY Buttons can currently do. Speaking about the S3XY Buttons, they're fully compatible with the S3XY Knob. So if you want to give access to certain features to the people in the back of your car, you can assign them to these bad boys and place them anywhere you want in the car. That way they can activate their seat heaters, their rear fans, or switch the music every 10 seconds just to annoy you. The options are endless. However, if you don't want to wait for that update and there is a feature that is still missing but you want to use it, you can simply add it to the S3XY app right at its dashboard and activate it when needed. Now that's enough talking. Let me show you how I'm using my S3XY Knob in this beautiful Model Y. When I first got into this car, I fell in love with the Regen. It's very strong and I like how it works. However, my passengers are not on the same opinion. So that's why when I have people in the back, I usually have to reduce my Regen. And as you know, Tesla does not allow you to do this anymore, but however, with the knob, I can actually do it by pressing my top left button and rotating it to the left to decrease the amount of Regen this car is getting. That way, everybody in the car stays happy. You can even go all the way down to 0%, which is no Regen at all, which is pretty useful in some cases. Another feature that I love using is the Autopilot. So my bottom left button activates the Autopilot the moment I press it, and then I can rotate the knob left and right to increase and decrease the speed that the car gets. That way I don't have to reach forward for the stock or the scroll wheel, and my driving experience is much more pleasant. Trust me, you're gonna love having this feature at your fingertips. As you can see, the S3XY Knob comes in handy in many different situations, and the features it packs makes it extremely useful for every Tesla owner out there. The installation process is extremely easy, and if you want to see how it's done, just click on the banner up here or go inside the description of this video. Still not convinced that this little gadget is a must-have accessory for your Tesla? Then you should subscribe to our channel and watch our next videos. In them, we're going to show you what our commander can do to your car when it comes to automation. And yes, I'm talking about the commander that comes with the knob. It can allow you to control your high beams, adds actions to your door handles, and also re-engages your autopilot when you're doing a lane change. You're definitely going to be pleased to see everything our commander and the knob can do together. But if you don't trust me, you can go down in the comments and see what our current users have to say about our products. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website to learn everything about the S3XY Knob and every other gadget we make. We can't wait to share with you everything else we have planned for 2024. So see you soon.